Hi, welcome to Stock Takes. So you can create and manage stock takes with us, but you may want to do ad hoc inventory adjustments where you just need to edit the quantity of an item from point of sale, and we can support you with that too. First, let's go to settings. Here we can edit by clicking manage here. This will take us to the Shopify admin editor where we can add the extension. We can also go down to adjustment reasons and we can predefine reasons for the ad hoc adjustment. This can help if you're using this for reporting purposes or to ensure that your reasons are uniform across any changes that are being made. Once we've set that up, we can go over to point of sale on the right hand side of my screen. We can then go and scan or select a product. Let's select this ice snowboard. And you can see in the bottom, we have this adjust stock option. If we click on that, you'll see we have the ability to make a change. So if I've damaged one, we can reduce the inventory there. Select the reason why, or we can always enter a custom one if we'd like to add more information, and hit save. That's how we do an ad hoc adjustment with stock takes by Pimsical.